In this video, we're going to take a look at the basic layout of the Google Calendar. So you can see here that in the middle section, we just have the calendar. In this case, we're using the month view, so you have the calendar here. But then let's take a look. We have this the hamburger menu or the pancake stack over here, and clicking that just kind of hides this side column on the left. You have the Google Calendar kind of logo thing. If you click on that, it just kind of refreshes your page. You have this today button, so if you were off in another month or something, you can just come here and click day, and it brings you back to the date that you're on. And then these arrows kind of help you toggle back and forth between the different months here. So I find that useful. And then another cool thing is we can come up here and we can use this search button. And this is very helpful for finding any events, whether it's the title of the event or the person you're working with. So if I was working with an event with Sam, I could just type in Sam up here, and I'd find all the events with Sam. If I wanted to find the events related to pizza, I could type pizza. I can find my pizza event. So I really like the search. That's pretty helpful for being able to find things here. And I'm going to hit this back arrow to exit out of the search. Then you have this drop down over here where it's on month. I like to view it through the month view, but it's really up to you. You can choose to use day. You can choose to use the year, or however it helps you to see the events. And then you'll notice that over here on the right, there are those shortcuts. So I can come in here and change it. Press M, and I get a month. Y gets me back to the year. D takes it to a day, and I like the month view, so I'll just go ahead and use that. And then obviously we have the gear icon, which we can get to other settings. We can change some of the other looks and how the density and color. And then our Google Apps button over here to get to our other Google Apps. On the left-hand side, we have the Google Calendar, the mini calendar layout here. And then we have various things as far as my calendar. So that is your actual personal calendars that you are like in charge of, are owned by you basically. And then other calendars would be calendars of other people or other calendars that you are subscribed to. And so that's what's over here on the left. And then you do have this plus button down here where you can click on this and create a whole new event with all the details. Or you can just click on anywhere in the calendar and start adding an event right there. That's usually what I do, but if you like the plus button, it takes you right into the interface to do that. So that is basically the starting point of the layout of Google Calendar. Thanks.